Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow profile backlink. So the website name is tez.de. So this is a website dashboard. So before they started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, this website domain rating is 86. And according to Moj, this website domain authority is 84. Spam score is 1%. And if I can show you this website traffic, so according to similar web, this website having around 17.9 million monthly visits. So this is a very high traffic numbers. And if we can check the traffic source, so this website are getting traffic from the Germany, Austria, Switzerland, uh, Azerbaijan, United States, and another countries. So yeah, if you guys will create your backlink in this website, so you will get chances to drive traffic from these countries and the crawlability. So now we can start. So how you can create your backlink in this website? So you cannot create directly backlink from this URL. You need to use this link. I can also provide this link in the description section, so where you guys will access easily in the comment section as well. So you guys will use this link to navigate this interface, so that you can fill your all details, so like DML training. Then after you can select the your you can select these things. Then after there you can put your email address. You can confirm your email address. Then you guys will choose your password, and after you can put your email address here again. And after you can add your address. Either you can remove this, but what you can do, you can select your country. I'm from India. Then after you can upload your profile picture, and your here you can put your website URL, ODML training. Here you can add your company name, and you can here you can add some company description, so your website description. Once you guys will complete all the things, then after you can click on this link, this button. So this site will send you the verification email, so you can check and you can verify. So you can click on this link, so you can see the our account is verified. So you have successfully registered. So what you can do, you can wait a couple of minutes, around 5 to 10 minutes. Then after I can show you the one link. After you can navigate to this link. So I can provide you this link as well, so you can easily navigate on this link. So how you can get your profile a backlink, a profile link. So simply you can use this link to get your profile link. But what you need to do, you can wait a couple of minutes, around 5 to 10 minutes, to activate your account. Then after you can use this link to see your profile landing page URL. So we can wait a couple of minutes, then I can show you how you can access your profile. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. So you can see our profile is successfully created. You can see this is a brand name, this is the email, this is the website URL, and this is a short description. And from there you can see there is a profile icon. Clicking on this, you can also able to make some edits in your profile. So suppose, like, if I can remove, so the Sora ID, Facebook name, and you can also able to change your description, images, and any another things. So we successfully created our account in this website, profile in this website. So if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow. And this is your profile a landing page URL. So after creating account and the submitting and the verifying, once you verified your account, so you can wait a 5 to 10 minutes. Then you can see your profile uh, details. So I can provide this link and the login link. And yeah, this is the login link. So I can provide all the link in the description section, so where you guys will access easily. So this is the process. So creating account in this website, profile in this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And also I launched some new tools in my website. So suppose like the image to WebP converter, URL to HTML link converter, and the word counter new tool we added, the word counter. So suppose whatever the things you are typing here, so you can also get the idea how much words, the character, sentence, paragraph, and also it can suggest so the content length for the any kind of social media tools. So from there you can copy text, the paste text from there. So this is a new tool I launched, so you guys will explore. And if you guys will like to publish your content in my website, so simply you can go to the writers section, and you can found the contributor email from there. So you can see this is the contact@dmailtraining.com. So this is the overall the things of my website. So okay, bye bye and take care.